Okay.
Poor thing. Yeah, you're having fun.
No.
I love bath times. Look at that rat dog.
Oh
gosh.
Good. Are you going to go get me another towel now, please?
Why does this thing always fall?
A clean one?
Yes.
Clean one? Okay. Calm down. Hang on. Good girl. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh. Fat dog. Stay. Go see what the number is. Stay.
Do you want to run? Here, I'll take you into the bathroom. Hand it to me.
That's right.
Hello? He's currently drying a wet dog.